really have a lot of repeat orders on a preset frequency to many of local vendors. So for example, like we order the same set of items on a monthly basis to local grocery shop, then maybe weekly basis, like we order vegetables to nearby vegetable shops. I mean, these are like very small shops. They don't have their own online e-commerce platform, so it's not that like we go to their platform and then buy. Also the pricing there keeps on changing very frequently, so these are not the shops that can afford to maintain their e-commerce platform and afford to have people who keep on changing the pricing and everything on a regular basis. So but we are ordering from them. So what do we do in that case? We don't want to keep on typing the similar type of order with some small changes every time. So we have developed like a very small simple app where what you can do is that you can create your own templates, as you can see, like veggie weekly and then exotic vegetables and things like that, right? So you can always add, click on the plus button and create a new template. I'll just cancel it for now. And then, like for example here, I have got a list to be ordered on a monthly basis. So I clicked on grocery monthly, and then this is the list that I have pre-created. But then of course I can add more items to it. I just click on the plus sign, and here I'll say dal. Then this is free format. I can say 2 kg. There is no price here, so that way it is very easy to maintain. I just saved it, so this should go somewhere like dal 2 kg, right? Now once my list is ready, I can decide which one to order this time, which one not. Like for example, I'll take the biscuits out, I'll maybe take the tea out, even atta out, and I'll just keep like 1 2 3 4 items. So once I know that these are the ones I want to order from the ready-made template, then for this time I have unchecked this, but maybe next time I can include, for example, tea in this. So the list is not going to get changed permanently per se. This is only for this time, right? Then I click on send button just to verify once, like okay, I see here that the orders that the items that I want are already included, and then I click on the send signal. So when I click on the share button, there is a WhatsApp. I'll create a simple a sample group that I want to send to. Okay, I chose I'm searching for that. All right, I search for it and I'm gonna send it to that group. It will finally show me one more time, and I just press the send button, and this list, think of this group as like a vendor, and I'm sending the list of items to the vendor. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much.